of Selectmen held a public hearing on March 22nd to meet representatives from 3 different medical marijuana dispensaries, all of whom have an interest in setting up shop in Needham. The purpose of the hearing was to learn about the different dispensaries and their desired locations, as well as give the public a chance to ask questions. Here's Stephanie Michaud with more.
The 3 dispensaries in consideration are Sage Cannabis, Medical Marijuana of Massachusetts, Inc., and Massachusetts Patient Foundation, Inc. Sage Cannabis desires to set up their dispensary at 2937 Franklin Street. With a dispensary already set up in Milford, Massachusetts, Sage Cannabis has proposed to build a facility with top-notch security, including seed-to-sale tracking.
So in Milford, which is where all of the Needham dispensary medicine would be manufactured and packaged, we plant a seed. We have to put a barcode on every single plant. We have plant system files in the computer that follow that plant throughout its life cycle. And at every branch point in the production process, we have to barcode the batches. So any final product that would be sold out of the Needham dispensary would have a barcode on it. If we scan that barcode, we would be able to trace back through the entire production process to the very seed that product came from.
Massachusetts Patient Foundation, Inc. would like a facility at 33 Highland Avenue.
One of the things that we really tried to do is really reach out to the community and already start becoming a good part of the community. We joined the Chamber of Commerce. We had a community meeting at our location at 33 Highland Ave. We had trying to organize a neighborhood advisory committee. We met with State Senator Richard Ross. Needham is this group's first choice, as Joseph said, and I think that's important when we talk about distinguishing the groups. It is our first choice. We already have a letter of support or non-opposition from the town of Arlington. We will be citing there. We have multiple applications in. We want to be in Needham, and if we're lucky enough and privileged enough to get the letter of support or non-opposition tonight, we will move forward.
Medical Marijuana of Massachusetts, Inc. wants to be at 85 Wexford Street and would only allow patients to visit by appointment.
It's going to be by appointment only. That way we'll know how much medical marijuana we need to have on site each day. There will not be any walk-ins. We are going to limit our purchases to 1 ounce of medical marijuana per day. No one can buy more than that.
Residents were able to voice their opinions on the pros and cons of each dispensary.
Strongly urge the board to grant one of the licenses. I thought the presentations were excellent. I have a personal preference towards Sage's presentation, but I think there's benefits to all of them.
I recognize the importance of continuously looking to increase the tax revenue base in our town as a property tax-paying Needham resident. I also recognize that over time, even traditionally more conservative towns will implement more progressive policies. We're no longer a dry town, and marijuana distribution appears to be our next endeavor.
I'm wondering why that Precinct J should be subject to such a great thing, that we get the sex district, we get the marijuana district, and we have 80% of the 40B. And if it's such a great thing, I'm asking the Board of Selectmen to bring it back to town meeting and open it up to the whole town.
The public record will remain open until Friday, April 1st for written public comments. For the Needham Channel News, I'm Stephanie Michaud.